Dinos! Thanks for joining me for another worksheet. Just remember, the link provided below lets you print out a worksheet so we could do it together. If you can't print it out, don't worry, just watch. Did you know both the Arctic North Pole and the Antarctic South Pole are cool because they don't get any direct sunlight? The sun is always low on the horizon, even in the middle of the summer. In winter, the sun is so far below the horizon that it doesn't come up at all for months at a time. So the days are just like the nights, cold and dark. Can you imagine that? Even though the North Pole and the South Pole are polar opposites, they both get the same amount of sunlight, but the South Pole is a lot colder than the North Pole. Now that we have our worksheet, let's write our name. Today, I chose the color red to write my name. What color did you choose? I love that color too. Now let's read the directions. Count the critters, circle the number, then color. Let's read it one more time. Count the critters, circle the number, then color. Okay, let's count the critters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jellyfishes. Now it says circle the number. Do we circle 5? Nope. Do we circle 1? No. Do we circle 7? Nope. 8? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jellyfishes. Let's grab our crayons and circle the number 8. Great job! Thanks for counting with me. Now we color. This is my favorite part. You could color it any color you like. There's no directions telling us what color to use, so use your imagination. Pink is the color I'm coloring my first jellyfish. The second jellyfish, I'm coloring it light blue. What color did you choose? Oh, that's such a great color. The third jellyfish, I'm coloring it light green. The fourth color, I'm coloring it yellow, like a banana. The fifth jellyfish, I'm coloring it purple. Purple like the color of a grape. The sixth jellyfish, I'm coloring it orange. Can you guess what color fruit I'm coloring it? That's right, orange. The seventh one, I'm coloring it red. Red like a red apple. The last jellyfish, I'm coloring it a light pink, just like the first jellyfish, because pink is such a wonderful color. Now since they're in an ocean, I'm coloring the background blue. Can you hear the waves while I color? Listen carefully. While we're coloring the ocean, do you want to hear a funny joke about jellyfishes? Okay, are you ready? What is a jellyfish's favorite sandwich? Can anyone guess? It's peanut butter and jelly. You get it? Now I'm coloring the submarine yellow. What color did you color your submarine? Oh, that's a great color. It's so bright. I'm coloring the windows blue. And the glass is pink. What color did you color them? Well, those are great colors. I should have used those colors. Now I'm coloring the dots, which are the bolts that hold the submarine together, red. What color are you coloring them? I'm going to color them red and then green. Here comes a green. Green is the color of most vegetables. Have you noticed? It's good to have something green in your meal at least one time a day. Try to do that the next time you eat. If you don't see greens, ask for some. Now I'm coloring the bubbles dark blue. Can you hear the bubbles while I color? Isn't that neat? Now, just the eyes on the submarine. And we're almost done. Whoa, dinos! Check out that worksheet. It looks amazing. All the colors are so wonderful. I can't wait to see you next week, my dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here.